Good morning, Solanki sir.
Good morning.
Sir, can we start?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, sir. So, very good morning to all of you. As we all know that today we have gathered here for the inaugural function of 1 week short-term training program on digitally controlled power converter for industrial and renewable application phase 3. For the inauguration function, we are very much fortunate to have such a person who has brought a great revolution in the field of solar energy. For his contribution and dedication, he has been referred as a solar man of India by Times of India Group. Yes, we have Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki sir with us, who will be also delivering his keynote for the first session. I, on behalf of SSBT College of Engineering and Technology, Jalgaon, welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Also, we have with us a dynamic and visionary personality, Dr. Sanjay Shekhawat, who is Vice Principal of our college. I welcome Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, sir, for this inaugural function. My sincere welcome to Head of the Department of ENTC, Dr. S.R. Suralkar, sir, for this inaugural function. I also welcome Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Professor V.S. Pawar, sir. I also welcome Dr. P.J. Shah, sir, convener of this STTP. So, not taking much time, I request Dr. P.J. Shah, sir, to deliver his introductory speech on the occasion of this inaugural function. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good morning and welcome to the program. Chief guest of this function, Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki from IIT Bombay, Dr. K.S. Vani, Principal of College, Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, Vice Principal of College, Dr. S.R. Suralkar, HOD Electronics and Telecommunication, Mr. V.S. Pawar, HOD Electrical, all participants who have joined here from the different part of country, all faculty members. Good morning once again. Today, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department and Electrical Engineering Department of SSBT College of Engineering and Technology are organizing AICTE sponsored online national level short-term training program on digitally controlled power converters for industrial and renewable application phase 3 under AICTE Quality Improvement Scheme from 14th to 19th December. Phase 1 and Phase 2 are already completed successfully during 26th to 31st October and 23rd to 28th November. The main objective of this program to update the faculty members, industry person and research scholar about the use of advanced power electronic system in industrial and renewable applications. The theme of Phase 3 is renewable application. As you know, the importance of this renewable applications. Renewable energy is often offered to as a clean energy come from natural resources or processes that are constantly replenished. There are many benefits to using renewable energy resources. It is a critical part of reducing global carbon emission, and the pace of investment has greatly increased as the cost of technology fall and efficiency continues to rise. Power electronics converter plays a very important role to taking energy from solar panel or wind turbine and convert into the required applications. In next 6 days, our speakers will guide us regarding the model change and development of the technology. I am very much thankful to AICTE for sanction the grant to conduct STTP. My regards to Colonel B. Venkat, Director Faculty Development Cell, for guiding us time to time to organizing online STTP. I am very much thankful to all speakers who has accepted our invitation. They will present the recent trends on power converter technology and applications. Our speakers for the next 6 days are Dr. Solanki from IIT Bombay, Dr. M.A. Mullah from SVNIT Surat, Dr. Raghavan from IIT Gandhinagar, Dr. A.K. Panchal from SVNIT Surat, also myself, Dr. Thackeray and Mr. M.M. Ansari will also deliver lectures. I am also thankful to the team of National Infotech Surat for conducting all the practical sessions. My special thanks to Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki, today's chief guest and speaker, for accepting our invitation and joined today from his busy schedule. Today the program was not only possible because of the vision of our chairman governing body, Honorable Shri Rao Sahib Shekhawat, who has been the driving force behind the whole process. I would like to convey my thanks to Dr. K.S. Vani, Principal, and Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, Vice Principal of our institute, who has given us inspiration and all necessary support for organizing the program. I am also thankful to HOD, ANTC and Electrical for their support. I am very grateful to organizing committee for their ultimate and unconditional effort to make this program success. Most importantly, I would like to thank all participants joining from the all parts of country. Their presence has made this program success. My best wishes to all participants. I hope you will take the advantage of this STTP and will surely enjoy the 6 days. Thank you and Jai Hind. Over to Thackeray sir.
Thank you very much, Shah sir, for your introductory speech. Now I would like to request HOD of ENTC department, Dr. S.R. Suralkar sir, to say a few words about the department. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to one and all. On the auspicious occasion of inaugural function of third phase of this STTP, which is sponsored by AICTE, first of all, I would like to welcome Professor Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki, founder, Energy Swaraj Foundation. I would like to welcome our Vice Principal, Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, the convener of the function, Dr. P.J. Shah, HOD of Electrical Department, Shri Pawar sir, Dr. Thackeray sir, organizing committee members, and dear participants. Already the introduction of this phase 3 after completion of the phase 1 and phase 2 has been given by Dr. P.J. Shah. We do have taken the advantage of this pandemic for organizing such online events in which the 2 phases of this STTP has been successfully completed. One more FDP refresher course, which is also sponsored by AICTE and IIT, for which the phase 1 and phase 2 is completed, which is organized on the machine learning and pattern recognition, the third phase of which is going to start from 21st again. So in continuation of all these online programs, we are, as per the tradition of SSBTs from last 1 decade, we are organizing the international conference. This conference will also be online, and it is in the association with Prince Songkhla University, Thailand, and the knowledge partner is ICT Academy, Chennai. It is also in association with IIT chapter Aurangabad. All the papers accepted in this international conference will get published. The date of submission of this international conference of the papers was actually 12th of the December, but due to this pandemic situation, we received number of requests from many authors to extend this date. We are receiving the papers now also. So as per the request and the situation, we have extended the date of submission of the papers up to 19th of December. So take advantage of this extended date and submit your papers so that it will be published in the reputed journals of the ICT. Here, I would like to mention that we are thankful to our management committee and principal, vice principal for inspiring us for organizing this type of the programs. So this platform we are providing to you. You please take the advantage of this, not taking the much more time as it is a limitation for the inaugural function. I would like to conclude that you enrich your knowledge and enjoy the sessions during this 1 week program. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Surakal sir. Now I would like to call upon our Vice Principal, Dr. Sanjay Shekhawat sir, to enlighten us with his valuable words about advancement in future technologies. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all. Respected Professor Chetan Singh ji Solanki, our Head of Department for Electrical Engineering, B.S. Pawar sir, Head of Department for Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Dr. S.R. Suralkar sir, Convener of this STTP, Dr. P.J. Shah sir, Dr. P.V. Thakre sir, all other faculty members and my dear participants. I take this privilege to introduce my institute. This College of Engineering and Technology was established in 1983 at the auspicious hands of our former President of India, Pratibha Patil. And from 1983, this is the institute which is serving in the education field to develop this unprivileged or rural area. And I am very glad to share you that our many students were performed very well in this technological field, and now they are working throughout the globe. This institute is running 8 undergraduate programs and equal number of PhD programs also. So therefore, the journey of transformation of this institute from the teaching institute to the research institute is very motivation or inspiration for all of us. We take many initiatives to develop the tribal rural area, and therefore we adopted many villages for their development under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Similarly, we have initiated the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Through that, many student projects which are mainly focused on the rural technology were developed in last 5 years. And I am very happy to share that Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki is also associated with us from last 5 to 6 years through his KVAT solution. We have a MOU with the KVAT solution, and many small projects and training programs were conducted in association with the KVAT solution. Similarly, we also run that Surya Mitra scheme. And I am very glad to see him after a long time, because he was a very known teacher, researcher, and more than that, he is a very inspirational, motivational, social entrepreneur for all of us. And also his work into the sustainability through the solar energy or energy sustainability. I can say he is an energy ambassador or energy icon for all of us. his journey as a teacher, as a researcher, as a social entrepreneur, and now as a energy ambassador is very motivational and inspirational for all of us teachers and students. So I hope this Energy Swaraj Yatra is also have a great success and it fulfill all its aims and goals. So with this, I welcome all of you and especially today's speaker, Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki, on the behalf of my institute and myself. So therefore, with this, I congratulate to the team of this college which are taking efforts to make this program successful, and also hope that all the participants will also benefited through this knowledgeable deliberations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shekhawat sir. Finally, I would call upon today's chief guest and keynote speaker, Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki sir, to kindly illuminate us with your valuable words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Very good morning to all of you. All the dignitaries, Professor Vani, Professor Shekhawat, Professor Shah, everyone else. It is indeed my pleasure to be able to talk to you. I remember visiting your organization long time back, and today I am talking to all of you from my bus. You can see the background, the kitchen over there, the library little. This is the outside of the bus, and if you see this side, this is my living place. Here's my library, and other people can stay here. So this is how the bus looks like, and I'm going to spend a lot of time here, about 11 years, and it is very important that we understand, what is this Energy Swaraj Yatra is all about. I would also like to inform you that the government of Madhya Pradesh has appointed me as a brand ambassador of solar energy for Madhya Pradesh government. So with that, it is an additional responsibility to promote solar energy in a very, very big way. However, today is also the Energy Conservation Day, World Conservation Day, and it reminds us another important of that is very so
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, but your voice is not being heard properly here. There is a problem, I think.
is it better now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what I was saying is that today is also World's Energy Conservation Day, and before we generate energy, it is important that we should conserve energy. And not even conserve energy, we should avoid use of energy. That is what I always say, that even if it is solar energy, we have to avoid the use of solar energy, because solar energy is also not without carbon footprint. It is much better than the coal energy and other energy form, but it is not zero carbon footprint. So in order to make solar module, we need to purify silicon, convert solar cells, make a glass, aluminum frame, wire structures, all of the things. So therefore, there is some carbon footprint which is not zero. And in Hindi we say, usually we say, 900 चूहे खाके बिल्ली हज को चली, right? So we should not reduce, we should not generate unless it is very, very, very essential. So on this particular day, we have to really take care of this as well. And once we do this, then the last option should be the generate, that we should do with the solar energy. When I'm in Yatra, because climate change has become very severe and it is affecting the human existence. In fact, Dalai Lama recently mentioned, he said that more and more people are realizing that human existence on the planet is at a state, and only the pranayam, dhyan, meditation, prarthana is not going to help. We need to take some action. And the action that I'm requesting people to take through this yatra is asking people to surrender electricity connections. Like Gandhiji had the Bharat Chodo Andolan, if we really want climate change to be stopped and our future generation to live on this planet for many centuries, we should have electricity connection Chodo Andolan. That is what we need to do. Surrender electricity connection, go 100% on solar, so that we all become disciplined and constrained user of energy. Disciplined and constrained user of energy. There has to be a limit on how much energy we consume. There has to be limit on how much water, how much food, how much space, how much house, how much road. Every resource is limited on this planet. Every resource. And our planet, our GDP is growing, our consumption is growing, our population is growing, but the size of the planet is not growing. The amount of water is not growing. The amount of air is not growing. Therefore, it is very important. Gandhiji said that there is only enough on the earth for everyone's need, not for the greed. I believe this is a fundamental law of nature. This is a fundamental law of sustainability. We cannot violate this law, which we have been doing day in and day out. So therefore, I would suggest all the people who are participating in this workshop is to first learn how to avoid use of energy. That is very important. Avoid use of energy, even if it is solar energy. You will find many ways in which you can avoid the use of energy. And today is the Energy Conservation Day. Make sure that you are not wasting energy everywhere. Your lights are off, your fans are off. If it is really avoidable, do that. That is the minimum you can do for the Mother Nature, so that not only us, but our children and their grandchildren survive on this planet for centuries to come. So once again, thank you very much. It is really pleasure to be here in this inaugural program of the phase 3 of this workshop. Thank you very much and wish you best.
Thank you very much, sir. Finally, it's the time to give vote of thanks. So first of all, I am very much thankful to Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki, sir, who has accepted our invitation to be a chief guest and keynote for this first day of this STTP. I am very much thankful to our managing trustee, Dr. Honorable Shri Rao Sahib Shekhawat, who is always a motivator for us to arrange such type of programs. I am very much thankful to our beloved principal, Dr. K.S. Vani sir, who is always behind us to arrange such type of programs. I am also thankful to our vice principal sir, Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, who is always guiding us time to time. I am also thankful to Dr. Surarkar sir, HOD ENTC department, for his support. I am also thankful to Professor V.S. Pawar sir for his kind support. And I am also thankful to Dr. P.J. Shah sir, convener of this STTP. Thankful to all the committee members and dear participants. So I hereby consider that with the permission of Dr. Chetan Singh Solanki sir. Sir, can you say a few words regarding opening of this STTP?
So once again, with the pleasure, I declare the inauguration of this STTP. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So we will start the session, sir, in 2 or 3 minutes.
Sure.
Okay.